Welcome to lesson one, pre-foreclosure. Most agents avoid this category completely, and that is exactly why it works. If you understand pre-foreclosure correctly, you will see listings before they exist. By the end of this lesson, you're going to see this category as one of the cleanest pipeline opportunities in real estate. Most agents hear pre-foreclosure and they picture crisis, angry sellers, legal trouble, confrontation. That picture is wrong, and it's exactly why most agents never build a real business in this space. Pre foreclosure is not a crisis stage, it is an early pressure stage. And here's the thing about pressure always precedes decisions. Most homeowners in pre foreclosure are still figuring it out. They're weighing options, they're hoping to catch up. They're trying to protect their credit, their family, and their dignity. Your job is not to force the outcome. Your job is to be present before the outcome is chosen. That timing, that early presence is the entire game. Let's define this clearly so you can speak about it confidently. Pre-foreclosure means a homeowner has fallen behind on the mortgage and the lender has started the formal process of protecting their position. That's it. It does not mean foreclosure is imminent. It does not mean the homeowner has given up. It does not mean they want to sell. What it does mean is pressure has entered the picture, and pressure changes how people make decisions. The pressure type here is early financial pressure. The homeowner is still in control. They still have options. And that is precisely why this is the highest leverage moment to be present, not the moment they're about to lose the house. 3 reasons this category matters more than almost any other. First, timing advantage. You see opportunity before listings, before competition, before public desperation. Early signals are where leverage lives. Second, precision over volume. You don't need hundreds of names. You need a small number of situations you actually understand. That is what data lets you do. Third, earn trust. Homeowners ignored until they're desperate feel hunted. Engaged early with information, they feel supported. That difference between hunted and supported is the entire reason agents win or lose this category. Pre-foreclosure mastery is about timing and tone, not aggression and volume. Here is what most agents get wrong. They assume pre-foreclosure is about selling. They assume the homeowner is desperate and just needs the right script to break through. That is the assumption, and that is exactly why most agents fail here. Pre-foreclosure is not about selling. It is about decision-making under pressure. Selling is one possible outcome. Other outcomes include reinstatement, modification, forbearance, short sale, renting, selling later, or doing nothing for a period of time. Your role is not to force a path. Your role is to help the homeowner understand the paths. The agent who explains options earns the listing. The agent who pitches selling gets blocked. Now we walk through exactly how to pull this list in PropStream. You don't need to see my screen. Write these 5 steps down. Step 1, open the group filter and select pre-foreclosure. PropStream surfaces every homeowner with a recorded NADI or list pendants in your county. That list is too big to be useful. That's expected. We narrow next. Step 2, set equity to 30% or higher. This filters out homeowners who can't walk away with anything. What's left are owners with real options to consider. Step 3, filter owner occupied versus absentee. Pick one based on the conversation you want to have. Owner occupied means emotional weight and longer cycles. Absentee means practical decision makers and faster movement. Step 4, add length of delinquency. Recently filed under 90 days signals an owner still trying to figure things out. Newer filings convert calmer. Step 5, export to your CRM and label by month. Track the cohort, don't blast it. Most won't need you in week 1. They'll need you in month 3. The agent who is still present in month 3 is the one who wins. One filter is a list. Stacked filters are a strategy. 3 stacks I want you to memorize. First, early and calm. Pre-foreclosure plus 30% equity plus owner occupied plus NOD under 90 days. That stack tells you you're looking at an owner still trying to fix it. Approach with information, not urgency. Long cycle pipeline. Second, decisive and liquid. Pre-foreclosure plus 50% equity plus absentee plus single family. That's an investor or accidental landlord facing a math problem. They will move quickly when they decide. Third, time sensitive. Pre-foreclosure plus auction date set plus equity present. This is late stage. Only contact if you understand timelines and can be useful, not opportunistic. Stacking is what separates the professional from the agent who blasts a list. Now, how do you actually turn this filter into opportunity? 4 steps. Step 1, read the situation first. Before any outreach, know the equity, the loan type, and the length of delinquency. You are not allowed to guess in this category. Step 2, open with awareness, not a pitch. Acknowledge that life happens. Offer to walk them through their options, including the ones that don't involve you. Step 3, provide the map, not the pressure. Explain reinstatement, modification, short sale, and traditional sale at a high level. Let them choose. You earn the listing by being the calm voice. Step 4, stay present for 90 days or more. 1 contact loses. 3 to 5 thoughtful, non-pushy touches over a quarter wins. Most listings come in month 2 or 3. Patience is your competitive advantage. Let me make this concrete. This is a real scenario, real numbers played out exactly the way I just taught you. Hillsborough County, owner-occupied single family, 45 days into the nod. About $385,000 value, 42% equity, couple in their 50s. 1 income loss. They tried to catch up twice. They were embarrassed and they were avoiding every other agent's calls. The reason they opened my 3rd letter is because it didn't mention foreclosure once. Week 1, I pulled the list and sent the no pressure options letter. Week 3, I called and walked them through reinstatement, modification, and sale paths. Month 2, I sent an educational mailer, 2-page market summary, no ask. Month 3, they called me, listed at $379, closed in 32 days. Net $94,000 to the seller, full commission to me, 3 months from list pull to close. That is what staying present looks like. That is what filters plus patience plus tone produces. None of that happens without the data. Now let's talk about how this filter actually pays you. Most agents see one outcome, they get the listing. That's leaving money on the table. 6 paths. Path 1, traditional listing. Equity is there, sell retail, standard commission. Most common outcome when you reach them early. Path 2, short sale listing. Underwater or thin equity. Short sale designation pays. Lender approval timelines are predictable once you know the playbook. Path 3, investor assignment. Need to close fast? Refer to your investor network. Assignment fee or referral fee, depending on your structure. Inside the Opportunity Network, we have an investor pool ready to absorb situations that don't fit retail. Path 4, lender or modification referral. If they qualify for a modification, refer to a lending partner. Those reciprocal referrals come back when the mod doesn't close. Path 5, cash offer conversion. When speed matters more than top dollar, the cash offer platform converts pre-foreclosure into a 14-day close. Path 6, property management bridge. Owner wants to keep it but can't afford it? Rent it. PM referral preserves the relationship for the future sale. 1 filter, 6 income paths. That is what most agents miss. And every one of those paths starts with the same PropStream list. The data is the entry point, and what you do with it is where the money lives. Tone matters more than script in this category. Here's what not to say. Are you thinking of selling? Have you considered listing? Would you like to know what your home is worth? I saw you're in foreclosure. Let me help you sell fast. Every one of those questions feels invasive and premature to a pre-foreclosure homeowner. Here's what you say instead. A lot of homeowners in your situation aren't sure what their options actually are. I can walk you through them with no pressure. There are usually 4 or 5 paths from here. Selling is only one. I'm happy to map them out for you. I work with homeowners earlier than most agents before things get loud, so they have more control. That tone, calm, informed, no pressure, is the entire game. Here's your execution this week. 3 things. 1, pull the list using the 5 filters from this lesson. Cap it at 75 names. If you have more than that, tighten the equity filter. 2, build the cadence. Letter in week 1, phone touch in week 3, educational mailer in month 2, follow-up call in month 3. 3, track it in Bold Trail or whatever CRM you use. Tag each lead with pre-foreclosure and the nod month. You are building a 12-month pipeline, not a one-call list. Now, none of this works if you don't have PropStream. If you don't have it yet, get it. Use the link in the chat or the link in the description below for a special 30-day free trial. Everything I just taught you only works if you have the data. Without the data, you're guessing. With it, you're operating like a professional. There is no falling behind. There is only execution. Go pull your list.